Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today we're on this Grady-White Canyon 271. You'll notice starting at the back of the boat's powered with twin Yamaha 300 horsepower outboards, pushing this boat to speeds over 55 miles an hour. At the transom of the boat, you've got a nice insulated fish box, a live well on the port with a prep station on top. You can cut your bait, cut your catch, whatever you want. You've got a port side dive door and a flip up bench seat at the transom. The back of the helm chairs, you'll see we've got a nice catch basin with a freshwater sink / shower. Got some storage below, an additional live well on the starboard side. You'll see we've got a overhead sunshade to cover the rear of the boat while you're hanging out. Got two helm chairs with flip up bolsters, flip up armrests. The seats do move forward, back. Up at the helm, we've got twin Garmin MFD displays. You've got your Yamaha joystick control, autopilot, trim tabs, wireless phone charger, and your Fusion head unit to control your sound system. On the port side, we've got a nice entry to an oversized head compartment for a boat of this size. You can have plenty of head space, change, use the restroom, whatever you may need while you're out on the water. Now that we're up at the helm, you'll see we've got a ton of entertaining space, tons of places to sit. These backrests do move, pivot out of your way. These cushions are removable, opening up a huge casting platform if you want to use this area for fishing. You'll also see on this particular boat, we've got a Minn Kota Terova trolling motor with spot lock on it to also aid while you're offshore fishing. If you're looking for a boat like this one, please feel free to give me a shout. I'd be happy to help.